Hi, I'm Kaptora Elanga. Me and my family love exploring nature, and we want to share it with you the beautiful places we've been. So, if you love adventure like us, sit back and relax and enjoy the beautiful video. So beautiful. Wow, the water is so calm. Guys, so today, let's check what's the update in Escanar. So, I've heard that the Marvent restaurant is open already because in my last video, they are posting that they gonna open in 28. So let's check if they're open already. All right, let's go there. So Liam here right now is with his bike,
A big bike.
with his big bike, and he wants to ride it over there. Here in the mini forest, he wants to walk with his bike only. Look at that. Now he is with his red bike, not with his green bike. This one is pedal bike.
Practice this. I
Yeah.
practice this.
Yeah, he wants to practice his big bike, guys.
Kaka, look. Look,
Yeah.
Kaka.
Yeah, that's a kaka of the dog. So here in this area, guys, in summertime is the feria. So sooner they gonna put up the feria in here. It's too early right now. So let's go. So if you're here coming in April, don't be worried, guys, because there's a lot of restaurants that are open already. So you have choices where if you are hungry, you have choices where you're gonna eat. Wow, nice. They put a waiting area here for the person who waited for the bus. Look at that. So nice, guys. Waiting area for the bus. For people who are waiting for the bus. So let's take a closer look. So this is a new constructed waiting area here for the bus. Look at that. So it's nice, guys. All right, so let's keep going. So were you gonna pass? I help you? I help you. So we are here at the bus station and taxi station, guys. So Liam is here. If you need to brake, use a brake, okay? So here right in the bus station and taxi station is a pharmacy, guys. So from here, you can go anywhere places here in Ibiza. So here also, right in the front is Hostal Mar Huerta. Look at that. So look at Liam. Good job, Liam. You want to drink water? So we are here walking at the promenade right now. And for those of you who are new to my channel, guys, Escanar is a small resort village located here at the Balearic Island here in Ibiza. Be careful, slowly, okay? So look at that. Marvent restaurant is already open, guys. Look at that. So look at that. They're open already. And right in the front of Marvent restaurant, as you can see, is the beautiful beach of Escanar, guys. I'll show you the beach of Escanar. Come here, Liam. Look at that, so beautiful. Also not, ew.
Yeah. The dog.
So this is the beach of Escanar, guys. Look at it. There's a fish or no fish? Oh, there's no fish, guys. In summertime here in this area, there's a lot of fish. So look at that. That is Aloha Sol Ibiza Hotel over here. So their chairs are already out. Yeah. Are we gonna go? Let's go check at the port if there's an octopus.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go down. So we are here right now at the port, guys. Look at that. It's so quiet right now. It's so peaceful. The wind is so calm. Wow. It's very nice to take for a walk here. So we are just walking here at the port of Escanar. Liam is pushing his bike. So there's no octopus.
No.
So restaurant Las Arenas also is preparing to open, guys. Look at Liam. So we are right now at the where you can buy the tickets going to Formentera, Ibiza, and Cala Leonga, guys. So until now, the bridge is still broken. I don't know when gonna fix it, but maybe soon. Go, go, go! Liam is fearless, guys. Chiki, chiki, ding, ding, ding. Wow, we are here at the mini bridge.
There.
You see a caracol. Oh,
It's too far. Bye bye. Bye girl.
bye, bro.
I called you bro.
So here is Jacaranda, and they are also started painting, guys. Look at that. Oh, be careful, Noy Noy. Look at that. This one is broken already. The post. So look at that. The post is broken.
But
There's so many birds here.
I
Look at
saw
that, guys.
small ones.
Wow. A lot of bird.
Look, it's so low.
Look at guys, Liam is practicing his pedal bike. So look at that. This is the swimming pool area of Jacaranda here. In summertime, there's a lot of people who are enjoying the warm water of the swimming pool, guys. All right. So this is the outside. Look at that. Wow, let's go. Where are we gonna go? So here in this area, guys, is Bagos restaurant before, but now it's Colombiana. Look at that. All right. So let's continue walking, guys. Wow. Good job. You're doing well, Liam. So Liam is doing well with his pedal bike, guys. Nice, Liam. So as of now, it's very quiet right now in here. But as you see, there's a restaurant that is open already here. Marvent restaurant. So if you're here staying in Escana right now, guys, so don't you worry. There's a choices of restaurant that you can dine in, guys. So look at that. So we are here at the lawn of Aloha Sol Ibiza Hotel. This is a lavender flower. Dada.
See, Mama, yeah? Tita Sweet.
Ching! Bird. That is not a house, that is a apartment. That is apartment, Liam.
There's
Wow.
a kid too.
This is beautiful table, guys.
That is
So here we are right now at an M&M, and they're also open, guys, in the morning. So if you want some breakfast, you can have breakfast in here, guys. All right, so here we are right now passing at Boa. Look at that. Boa, Chiringuito Boa. The sun is shining in here. Wow, a beautiful big tree.
Mommy, let me view.
Beautiful view?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. So beautiful.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice. Handsome. Guapo. Okay.
I have a lot to do.
So, let's take a look at the beach of Escanar, guys. Wow, the water is so calm. Good. Good.
Let's go.
I saw a big squid.
Where?
Where is that? I forgot. But here, I don't know where did I saw it. Where's your bike?
Yeah, boy, put it here. The wine na make kamay.
All right. So, where's your bike? Oh, come on, let's take your bike.
Approach. Me.
So we are here right now at the Mangata restaurant, guys. So they're still closed at the moment. Maybe they're gonna open in April. No, I'm sorry, in May.
They know 59, 69, 89.
Wow, the rosemary plants has a flower already. Look at that. There's a flower. Wow, nice. This is smells so good, guys, when you put in your meat.
I still
Wow, look at the moon, guys. The moon is shining and the sun is shining also.
Ana, make a stone, no? And I put it here. It's like a cake. Look,
Wow, that's nice.
and like this.
Cool.
Ants!
What is that? That is a spider. Spider and
Baboy, baboy.
baboy.
And
Once that I take the video of ants, guys, look at that. So that big building over there, guys, as you can see, is Aloha Leonardo Royal Hotel, guys. So in here there's a beautiful view, and this restaurant is the favorite restaurant of Liam here at Mangata, guys. This is the favorite restaurant of Liam. Liam. Ching! So over there is Ilya de Escanar, guys. It's a restaurant also. And here is Solea. So they started cleaning in here already.
Dopa kuya?
Alright guys, so I have to say thank you so much for watching my video. And this is only a quick update here at Escanar. So thank you so much for watching. And see you again in my next
next
vlog.
vlog.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.